Jai Srimannarayana. 36th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asamyatatmana yogo dushprapa इति मे मतिः वस्यात्मना तु यतता शक्यो वाप्तुम् उपायतः ॐ Keep performing all your activities very skillfully with a feeling of detachment and with a feeling of as a service to Sri Krishna Paramatma. With that, the mind will be under your control very soon. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall perform all my activities as your service. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatarajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham 8th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma along with Bhudevi and Paramasiva and all other devatas went to Kshirasagaram and prayed Sri Mahavishnu with Purusha Suktam. They all meditated upon Paramatma. Then Chaturmukha Brahma heard Sri Mahavishnu's some of the words. Then Brahma addressing all the devatas, "O my dear devatas, I have heard Paramatma's words like this. You all have to do like this. Purayeva pumsa avadhrutam dharajvaraha." In fact, before even we come here, Paramatma came to know about Bhudevi's grief. and in order to remove that, he is going to be born. Before that, he asked every one of you to be born in Yadava Kulam with your own sparks. Yadava Kulamunan Amarulu Medini Puttanjanudu Miyamsamulan Sridayitudu Vasudeva Kadaramuna Putti Bharamantayu Bapun Vasudeva Gruhe Sakshat Bhagavan Purushaha Paraha Janishyate. Then Paramatma, the one who is Lakshminatha, Sriman Narayana, is going to be born to Vasudeva, and then he will remove this Bhubharam. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma addressing all the Devatas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 36th sloka. Asamyatatmana yogaha dushprapayiti me matihi vasyatmana tu yatata sikyo vaptam vupayataha. Asanyatatmana yogaha dushprapayiti me matihi vasyatmana tu yatata sikyo vaptam upayataha. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.